Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need the latest iOS and an unlocked iPhone 16. Once done, go straight to Settings. Open Accessibility, then Touch and Back Tap to start configuring. This is the only built-in path to enable it. Choose whether you want double tap or triple tap first. Once you pick one, you'll see a list of system actions and shortcuts. Make a selection now so the feature can register your tap pattern and start responding immediately. After selecting double or triple tap, pick an action from the list, like Screenshot, Control Center, or a shortcut you've already created. If you want something custom, open Shortcuts and build the automation first, then return and assign it here. Make sure to test by tapping the rear center area. You'll need a deliberate, confident tap near the middle lower back. If it doesn't trigger at first, try again and allow the system a couple of attempts to learn your tap force. Finish by assigning the second gesture if desired and closing settings. The changes are active immediately. Make sure the chosen actions behave correctly across apps and refine any shortcuts for reliability. If back tap fails, first remove bulky cases and retry. Cases often dampen taps. Then restart the phone and check for iOS updates. If problems persist, recreate the shortcut or toggle back tap off and on again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.